on the field and outside when the fans meet. So we now join Abula Ahmed from Nyayo Stadium, who is with us to tell us what is happening at the Nyayo Stadium, where the two teams, that is FC Leopards and Gor Mahia, play this afternoon.
Well, thank you very much, Robinson Okenya. We're coming to you live from the Nyayo National Stadium, where the 83rd edition of the Mashemeji Derby is about to take on here Gor Mahia against AFC Leopards. It is the biggest game in Kenyan football, and remember, these teams have met 82 times since the first derby. That was in 1968, with the AFC Leopards winning 28 times. Gor Mahia have won the derby 24 times, and 30 times the teams have registered. It was a draw, and it is a big match. Match is at stake here at the Nyayo National Stadium. Remember, the two teams have started brightly the 2017 season. Gor Mahia currently lying second on the Kenya Premier League table. And to talk much about the derby and what we should expect today, I'm joined by Vincent Vini Opio, who is a sports journalist. Tell us more about his expectations in today's derby. Thank you very much, Vincent Opio.
Welcome, Abula, as you say.
Tell us, what is your expectation about the derby?
It's a tricky match. If you ask about my prediction, it's going to be 1-1. But looking at both coaches, their formation, they all use 3-5-2, meaning Zimaria will be on the same formation as Stuart Hall. But the last time Stuart Hall met Gor Mahia, he won 2-0. Same to Zimaria, the last time he met FC Leopards, he won 2-0. Into the lineup, looking at what Gor Mahia is having, they have a lot of injuries in their camp. Jackie Tuisenge might not start. Timothy Otieno will start instead. Karim Zigimana might not start. Instead, Innocent Wafula will. Kenneth Muguna, as you've seen him warming up, he already has a kinesiology tape on his knee, meaning he might not even last 90 minutes. So Gor Mahia will struggle in the midfield, but FC Leopards always will have a comeback in the second half. And in the first half for Hall, he studies his opponent.
Big names Gor Mahia are going to miss today. What will it take for them to get 3 crucial points? Because they need the points.
It's the 12th man. Looking at the goalkeepers has only 3 clean sheets. Same to the opponent's goalkeeper, meaning in 90 minutes for the players, they are the same at the same level. But for the 12th man for Gor Mahia, they are ahead of FC Leopards in terms of points, 16 and 14. So it will depend on how they push their players. But if they don't push, if they leave Leopards, who have had a fairly start to the league and so many fans coming in the stadium to push, then it will be hard for Gor Mahia.
What about FC Leopards? Nobody thought they will start brightly this season, but they've done that, and maybe one of the teams to watch out in 2017. What have they done right?
It's their fitness. Their fitness coach, Mike, is doing a great job in the den, and you can see from the time they change their formation, they have a lot of speedy wingers and very active players in Ivan Isuza, the likes of Alan Katerega, Samuel Ndungu. They're doing a good job, and it's that push in 90 minutes, as I've said, that will make a change in this game.
Thank you very much, Vincent Opio, for your take on that match today. It is the 83rd edition of the Mashemeji Derby. And talking about Mashemeji Derby, it's all about the fans, the Green Army versus the Blue Army. And I have an ardent supporter of Gor Mahia. His name is Sudi, and also the other name is known as Senior Bishop. He tells me he has all the rules if you want to be a Gor Mahia fans. Sudi, what's your expectations today?
Leo tunataka point 3. Hatutaki kitu kingine. Tunachukua point 3 na ile kitu tunaomba ni amani peke yake. Hata tukishindwa tutatoka tu ni pole tu, lakini tutashinda leo. Tutachukua point 3. Hata ukiangalia hapa sisi tuko na furaha kubwa sana.
Mechi haitakuwa rahisi, manake mechi iliyopita kumradhi, mlifungwa na Mathare United bao 1 bila jibu. Unaonaje shinikizo la mechi ya leo?
Ndio, kwa sababu leo mpira ya leo ni ngumu. Leo tulipoteza huko, sasa leo itabidi tuchukue point 3. Hata Mungu anajua atatupatia point 3. Tuna amani kabisa.
Mabao mangapi kwa mangapi?
Tukiwapatia 2-1 ni sawa. Hatutaki, unajua ni mashemeji. Hatutaki wachukue mingi. 2-1 imetosha.
Na atafunga
leo. Kiusenge atajaribu na Kagere Medi. Tutafungia hapo.
Asante sana na kila laheri Sudi. Now he's one of the Gor Mahia fans. There's another fan who always people know him as Jaro Soja. He comes with his motorbike. Jaro Soja, tell us more about his expectations. Remember, it is the biggest game in Kenyan football. Gor Mahia versus AFC Leopards. Much is expected from the fans and also from the players of both teams. Welcome to KTN News, Jaro Soja.
Thank you very much. My name is Jaro Soja, the Commander-in-Chief of Kogalo Defence Force, or Gor Mahia 001. I think the most important thing for us, Gor Mahia, is to beat AFC Leopards like Brukenge. We always say that afadhali tufungwe hizi machi zingine, lakini we must beat AFC. Kwa hivyo najua ya kwamba tutafunga AFC at the end of the day. Ile kitu muhimu ni amani, amani, amani. Unajua watu wengi sana wanafikiria kwamba Gor ikikutana na AFC hiyo ni vita. Hapana, hiyo maneno tumekataa. Mimi kama general wa Green Army nimekataa mambo ya vita, na masemeji tunaomba wakubali ushindi. Wanaona mfano mzuri mwaka uliopita walitufunga tukakubali. Au pia leo ni siku yao ya kufungwa. Kwa hivyo naomba wakubali ushindi ili tuendelee mbele na maisha, kwa sababu there's always life after football.
Naona umejihami, unaweza tueleza kuhusiana na pikipiki yako na jinsi ulivyoipamba?
Bwana, unaita V8 pikipiki bwana. Hii si V8 pikipiki. Hii ni V8 bwana. Hii kitu hii ni ya 001, hii ni ya escort yangu. Kwa hivyo sasa ile naenda kwa state function, hii ndio inasindikisha mimi. Kwa hivyo mimi kama 001 wa Gor Mahia lazima nikuwe na machine kubwa kama hii. Yes.
Na leo unasema leo ni one of the state functions.
Yes, tuko kwa state function hapa Nyayo Stadium. Kwa hivyo naomba watu wote, Wakenya wote watazama KTN, watuone tukifanya state function hapa Nyayo.
Ubashiri wako unaona mechi ikienda ngapi kwa ngapi?
Hiyo si shida. Shida ni kufunga FC, na unajua game ikiisha tutakuwa tumefunga FC mabao 2-0.
Sawa. All the best. Jaro Soja. Thank you very much. Now, Robinson, it's about time for kick-off here. You are still waiting. At around 3 p.m., the match will kick off. Gor Mahia versus AFC Leopards. It is the first Mashemeji derby of the season. Much is expected. Remember, AFC Leopards currently lies 6th on the KPL log. That is after Tusker won their match and Bandari also won their match this weekend. So if AFC Leopards collect 3 crucial points, then they are going to leapfrog Gor Mahia to position 2. And Gor Mahia need a win to close the gap between them and Posta Rangers, who won their match yesterday against Sofapaka to extend the lead at the top of the KPL. It's all from here at the Nyayo National Stadium. Back to Robinson.
Green or blue, pick your color. That's where we end today's edition of Scoreline. My name is Robinson Okenye. Do have a lovely afternoon.